In this demonstration, we will cover how to save a file from Direct Drawing, as well as how to add an image to Direct Drawing on the PNL series. Once you have your file that you would like to save, select the Options button and select File. Select Save. You have the option to save to an existing folder or create a new folder. We will save to an existing folder. Select the folder you would like to save to. Select the file you are saving and rename the file. Once you have renamed your file, select Save. Your file will be saved to the folder. To open the file, we are going to close the file that is currently open. Select Options. Select File, and select Open File. Select Open Without Saving. Select the file you would like to open. Now we will go over how to save a file to a new folder. Select Options, select File, and select Save. Select Options at the top right of the display. Select New Folder. Name your folder and select OK. Rename your file and select Save. Your file will be saved to the new folder. Once you have your file that you would like to save, insert your USB drive. Select Options and select File. Select Save and select the USB drive you would like to save to. To add a file to the drawing function, select Options, select File, and select Insert a PDF or image to background. Select the image you would like to have added. Once the image is imported, you can draw and take notes on the image. Once you would like to save your file, select Options, select File, and select Save. When wirelessly connected to the display, select the Edit icon at the bottom left of the display. This will take a screen capture of the display and import it to the drawing function. Once you select the page to import it to, select the prompt to import the image. From there, you can annotate and make notes on the image. Please note, this function will disconnect your device from the display.